Hello and welcome to day 4 of your 100-day English speaking challenge here at Fluent with Mari. This is your daily shadowing practice, a powerful way to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and confidence. Today's topic is talking about your job or studies. We'll practice simple sentences you can use every day.
Part 1. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Say each sentence after me with the same tone and rhythm. I work as a software developer. I'm currently a university student. I study business administration. I've been working here for 2 years. I enjoy what I do. It's challenging but fun. I'm still figuring out what I want to do in the future. Nice. You're doing great. Let's move on to a simple conversation.
Part 2. Simple conversation. Listen and repeat, then practice.
So, what do you do?
I work in marketing. How about you?
I'm still studying. I'm in my 3rd year of college.
Oh, nice. What's your major?
I'm studying computer science.
That's awesome. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's tough, but I enjoy it.
Well done. Conversations like this help you sound more natural. Now it's your turn to practice the conversation. Part 3. Useful phrases of the day. I work as a, for example, I work as a nurse or teacher or designer. I'm majoring in, for example, I'm majoring in biology. I'm still a student. I've been working here since, for example, I've been working here since 2023. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Your turn. Awesome! These phrases will help you talk confidently about your work or studies. Pause the video as much as you need. Ready for the daily speaking challenge? Day 4 Daily Speaking Challenge. Talk for 1 minute about your job or your studies. Try to answer. What do you do? Where do you work or study? What do you like or dislike about it?
Great job today. Now you can talk about your job or studies with more confidence in English. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget to do your 1-minute speaking challenge. And if you made it this far, you're doing better than most learners.